Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to turn on Enlarge display fonts on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So if you're reading these fonts and you think that font is really small and you want to turn on the Enlarge font accessibility feature, then let me show you how to do this. So first, go ahead and bring down the notification bar, tap on settings at the top right, scroll down until you see accessibility. Next, tap on vision enhancements. And now here, where it says display mode, go ahead and choose Enlarge Display. So this will change the following item. Font size and screen zoom are increased. Bold font and highlight buttons are turned on. So we'll go ahead and apply this feature. And now as you can see, your fonts all have enlarged and have become more bold. So there you go guys, that is how to turn on Enlarge Display feature on your Samsung S25 Ultra. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.